Hey guys, welcome back to VRK Homemaker. Today it is going to be a Ganga Puja, how we will do, and let's see in this video guys. Before getting into the video, you know right what to do. Please do subscribe, share, like my videos. Worshipping river Ganga frees one from all kind of sins and turns the bad deeds into good ones and brings happiness in home. Puja is magical as it has the power to cure any kind of diseases and mental illness. Ganga Puja is a religious festival of the northern east state of Tripura in India. The tribal Tripura people worship the goddess of the river and pray to be saved from epidemic diseases. Ganga Saptami is also observed as Ganga Jayanti or Ganga Puja. This is considered as one of the important festivals in the Hindu calendar. Ganga Saptami is celebrated to commemorate the rebirth of the goddess Ganga. Devotees worship the goddess Ganga and seek blessings from the holy river. The festival falls in the month of Vaishak and is celebrated in Saptami Tithi. Ganga Saptami is also observed as Ganga Jayanti or Ganga Puja. Devotees perform puja by lighting diyas and chanting mantras. Later, devotees take part in Ganga Aarti and pray for good fortune. This puja can be performed in running water or river or pond or a stream. Due to heavy rainfall, this is how the water flow was near our village. So this is the right time to perform this puja, we felt. So then we performed this and we really enjoyed a lot and doing this puja. Ganga Puja is celebrated after the Navan festival, which marks the rice harvest. Its date is variable but falls in March or April. It worships the river goddess of the Ganga or Gangas, one of the 14 foremost deities of Tripura. On this occasion, tribal communities assemble on the banks of a stream or river and three pieces of bamboo into beautiful flowers. After this, they build a temporary temple in the middle of the stream, also made out of bamboo, and hold celebrations reverently. Adult male geese, goats, and even buffaloes are sacrificed to the gods in the belief that through such offering the gods may use their power to prevent epidemic diseases. Another purpose of the festival is that the gods are reverently asked to ensure the well-being of a pregnant woman. Throughout the state of Tripura, traditional dance forms part of the festival of worship. But in our village, according to our customs, this is how we're gonna perform the Ganga Puja. Different states perform with different ways, guys. But we used to perform this way only from my ancestors' time. I hope you really enjoyed watching Ganga Puja in our village. Guys, if you really like it, just give a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Many of you are watching my channel without subscribing. Please do subscribe, share, like my videos. And let's catch up with a new video again tomorrow. Until then, take care. Bye bye.